Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all. Myself Priyadarshini, first B.Ed, Shakti College of Education for Women. I am here to give you a presentation about teaching and learning for sustainable future. First, we are going to see about the impact of science and technology on environment. The emergence of science and technology leads to a sophisticated life, and it paves the way for the economic development of human society. But at the same time, it initiates the hostile relationship between man and his natural environment. The modern technological man exploits the natural resources at a rate faster than they could renew themselves for industrial expansion and urban growth, which triggers various ecological problems at global level. One of the major reasons for man-induced change is to manipulate energy transfer and expansion of human population. Second, future life of human beings at stake due to environmental degradation. Due to technological advancements, human life experiences environmental degradation resulting in natural calamities like earthquake, landslides, volcano eruptions, tsunami, forest fire, cyclone, flood, drought, cold waves, heat waves, etc. And their consequences often adversely affect human life. That is, our future life becomes gloomy and painful. The only solution for this is to go for sustainable development by changing our lifestyle. Third, sustainable development. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. World Commission 1987. Basically, when we talk of sustainable development, the easiest definition is that we, the present generation, have inherited a certain amount of ecology and environment in terms of land, water, and air. When we leave it to the next generation, we should leave it at least in the same condition, if not in a better condition than that what we inherited. This is the sum and substance of sustainable development, putting it in elementary terms. K.P. Geetha Krishnan, 1990. Next, UNESCO's program of teaching and learning for sustainable future. UNESCO, a wing of UNO, published a program titled Teaching and Learning for Sustainable Future. The meaning of sustainable future, its need, ways and means of bringing awareness among the students to achieve it. It contains 25 modules which provide around 100 hours of highly interactive activities designed to enhance the teacher's understanding of sustainable development and related themes through multimedia presentation. The modules are divided into 4 themes: knowledge, values, behavior, and lifestyles for developing a sustainable future. Next, objectives of teaching and learning for sustainable future. To develop an appreciation for the scope and purpose of educating for a sustainable future. To enhance skills for integrating issues of sustainability into a range of school subjects and classroom topics. To enhance skills for using a wide range of interactive and learner-centered teaching and learning strategies that underpin the knowledge, critical thinking, values, and citizenship objectives implicit in reorienting education towards sustainable development. To encourage wider awareness of available information and communication technologies of the potential multimedia based approaches to education and professional development and of the internet as a rich source of educational materials. To enhance skills in computer literacy and multimedia education. Next, 4 themes of teaching and learning for a sustainable development and their components. The 4 themes are curriculum rationale, teaching about sustainability across the curriculum, interdisciplinary curriculum themes, teaching and learning strategies. Under the curriculum rationale, global realities, understanding sustainable development, a future's perspective in the curriculum, reorienting education for a sustainable future and accepting the challenge. And teaching about sustainability across the curriculum gives sustainable futures across the curriculum, citizenship education, health education, and consumer education. Interdisciplinary curriculum themes gives culture and religion for a sustainable future, indigenous knowledge and sustainability, women and sustainable development, population and development, understanding world hunger, sustainable agriculture, sustainable tourism, sustainable communities. Teaching and learning strategies gives experiential learning, storytelling, value education, inquiry learning, appropriate assessment, future problem solving, learning outside the classroom, community problem solving. Thank you.